Hey guys, today we are in Golf MK7 and over here I have Android device with OBDeleven. The dongle is already connected and today I'm going to be adjusting the folding mirror function, and there are three options that you need to enable if you want your mirror to fold with your remote. Those two are probably already on, and the first one just tells the system that you have this function in your car. The second one enables you to adjust the function from the infotainment unit, and the third option, this is what I'm going to be adjusting today, is telling the system when to fold the mirrors. So by default it will fold your mirrors when you close the car with the remote, and I want to set it to press and hold on the lock button to fold the mirrors, so they are not folded each time I close my car. I just want this extra press and hold to fold the mirrors. Okay, so let's go to OBDeleven. Let's connect with module 09. This is Central Electric, and give it a few seconds and we will adjust the appropriate channel. So first go to security access and enter the code 31347. Okay, code accepted. Now go to adaptation, and we are looking for access control 2, and over here we are looking for Funkspiegelanklappen modus. Funkspiegelanklappen modus, and over here we have the option with remote control already enabled, and we are going to change it to the convenience operation of the remote control. Okay, press and hold over here, and adaptation is saved. So now let's check if it worked. Okay, so let's close it with single press. Nothing happens, and now let's press and hold. Now let's open, and mirrors unfold. Okay, check the description below this video for more details about this coding. Also check my other tutorials, give me thumbs up if you liked this short one, and subscribe for future videos. See you soon.